Okay, congratulations sa lahat ng nanalo sa raffle. And FYI, hindi kami nag-usap ng susuotin. Magtito, hindi magtatay.
Hindi namin ito napag-usapan na guys. Swear.
So, 2025 has been truly special for Oppo, and none of our achievements would have been possible without your incredible support. Especially our friends from the media, our celebrity endorsers, and our amazing KOLs. Thanks to your dedication, we have consistently communicated our campaigns effectively for the whole year, allowing us to maintain our dominance in SOV rankings. Yes, we proudly retained the #1 spot, and that is because of you, and we hope to continue that next year.
Yes, Oppo #1! And this year, we also expanded our network of KOLs across the Oppo A series, the Oppo Reno series, and the Oppo Find series. Over 200 creative and engaging KOLs partnered with us, contributing to the overwhelming success of our campaigns. And we sincerely thank you. Thank you for standing with us through the years and with every campaign that we do. With your continued support, guys, we look forward to an even stronger and brighter 2026. So yun, Oppo lang, saka lang! So yun, thank you very much guys for your overwhelming support from all of us here at Oppo's marketing team and the rest of Oppo's team here in the Philippines. Maraming salamat and maligayang Pasko po.
Thank you.